Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. And today we have a special guest. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
My name is Asea, aka Asian Maid, on Instagram and YouTube. I'm a beauty influencer, so your girl creates hair content, beauty content, makeup, skincare, all of that. So definitely check me out.
I am so excited, and today we are going to be turning t-shirts into cropped ruched t-shirts. So you definitely want to see this, and we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Yes.
Okay guys, I'm super excited to share this project with you all because I think it's a super simple sewing upcycle project that is perfect to be done with friends. And this project can be done on any t-shirt. First, you can just hold the t-shirt up in front of you, or you can try it on and pin where you're going to crop it.
You know, you can imagine it's gonna do like this, and so you have to figure out a little bit longer than actually where you want it to be cropped. So for mine is actually kind of short, and I really don't have my belly out much, so I ain't got that kind of belly.
Then you use sharp scissors to cut a straight line across the shirt. To make the straight line, I always use a ruler and a sliver of soap because it's free and I'm cheap.
That is so crazy.
See, I've converted another person to the sliver.
You know what
of
I
soap.
use, honestly?
What?
I use like the white eyeshadow pencils.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It washes out.
Yeah, yeah.
So there you go, another creative way to mark your clothes, especially if you don't use bar soap. And next you'll cut an inch strip off the extra piece that you cut off the bottom. And cut the ends to make it two pieces.
This is gonna be your string, and then you want to cut another one that is about like an inch and a half or an inch and a half to 2 inches wide.
And that piece doesn't need to be as long. Next we'll take our t-shirt and turn it inside out. Then we'll lay the 2-inch strip straight down the middle of the front of the shirt. And you can measure it to make sure it's super perfect, or you can just eyeball it.
Yeah, you just eyeball it. I'm here struggling, like, how do you know it's really in the center?
Okay. I have those things in my mind, but my mind says, do you really want to make that effort? No.
Then you'll just sew it to the inside of the shirt, up to the place that hits right underneath your chest. You'll sew a seam on each side and also a seam right in the middle. Then you fold each of the 1-inch strips in half and sew it closed down the long side and across one end. Then you can use a paintbrush or something like that to turn it right side out. Then attach each one to a safety pin and push them through the openings from the bottom. Then make one last seam across the tops to sew the strings down to the shirt.
All right, we are done. Yeah. We got the fresh. And it was so much fun. It actually wasn't that hard, right?
No, it wasn't bad. I was nervous, but it wasn't bad at all.
Yes, and you guys have seen her on the sewing machine, getting her sewing on. So if she can do it, you guys can definitely do it. Easy sewing project. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and definitely check out Asea Maid's channel.
Yes, we're gonna get it popping with the hair.
Yes, so you guys are gonna see us use some new styling tools, and these are for more than just African American hair. You can use them for all types of hair. So definitely go check us out on her channel, and definitely subscribe here and on Asea Maid's channel.
Yes.
And we will see you in the next one.
Bye. Bye.